Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on nothing on your notification settings on your server, on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click notifications, and here you will find nothing. Click on it and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on nothing of your notification settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.